Happy New Year! It's 2022! How exciting! It's finally the year all the roller coasters built for 2020 will open. Amazing! Anyway, thank you for joining us for this very special first theme park news roundup of this year. To kick things off, let's go big. BGW fans have leaked the plans for a roller coaster coming to Busch Gardens Williamsburg they've dubbed Project DarKoaster. It's actually a very clever name. The show building to the old Curse of the Dark Castle dark ride has been used as an event space recently. However, that's apparently set to change. Busch Gardens Williamsburg allegedly plans to construct a new Intamin family launch coaster with not one, not two, not three, but 4 launch moments. The ride will take place completely indoors and will feature lots of twists and turns. Nothing too thrilling, of course, it's a family coaster. If you want to learn more, I'd recommend reading BGW fans' extensive, very extensive article about the new attraction. Moving on to another Intamin ride now. Sydney's Luna Park has officially opened their brand new roller coaster named Big Dipper. The ride is actually Intamin's first ever hot racer, a new type of single rail roller coaster, or at least new to Intamin, wink wink. It features 2 launches, a multitude of inversions, and comfortable over-the-shoulder lap bar restraints. The ride makes use of its slim, single-file train to navigate multiple tight turns and quick rolls. Will we see more of these Intamin single-rail coasters in the future? Time will tell. Talking of launch coasters, Montezooma's Revenge at Knott's Berry Farm closed on the 10th of January to undergo major renovations. Not much is currently known about the refurb, including what it actually means for the ride. All we do know is that the historic flywheel launch roller coaster will open to guests in 2023. Could we see the ride retrofit with a more reliable magnetic launch system, or will the changes be less drastic than that? Only Knott's currently know. On the other side of America, Orlando's Revenge of the Mummy has also recently closed for refurbishment. Construction walls were put up around the ride a few days ago with a sign saying, "Reopening late summer 2022. Sadly, no details about the refurb have been shared by the park, so once again, we're left in the dark. Just like the ride itself. Terrible joke, I'm sorry. But Revenge of the Mummy isn't the only ride in America currently being renovated though. The Beast at Kings Island is also currently undergoing a large-scale refurbishment plan of its own. This winter, the ride is being upgraded with 2,000 feet, 600 meters of new wooden roller coaster track. Some minute changes will also be made to the actual layout of the ride too. The first drop will become 8 degrees steeper, changing from 45 degrees to a magical 53 degrees. The roller coaster's 540-degree helix will also be slightly altered, with new bends placed to make the experience smoother for guests. For the few people that love the Beast, hopefully these changes won't change the overall ride drastically. For everyone else, perhaps it'll be better now! Anyway, Europa Park have also recently confirmed their plans to remove 3 of the park's rides. Europe's second busiest theme park is closing their older attractions to make way for new, exciting additions. The biggest of the disappearing rides is Jungle Rafts, a slow raft ride. The park also plans to remove, Traumzeit Dome, Dome of Dreams as it is in English, and Flug des Icarus, Flight of Icarus. Despite these removals, Europa Park has yet to confirm their replacements, though we do know the park plans to debut a new Big Dipper roller coaster in the future. Some sad news now. Amusement ride icon Stan Checketts sadly passed away at the start of the year. Stan and his wife founded S&S, an amusements company that would go on to become one of the largest in America. Stan pioneered the industry with the pneumatic air-powered launch technology, which first made its debut in the form of the Space Shot ride. Since then, it's been used on countless tower rides and a handful of roller coasters. Though Stan will be missed, his contributions to and love for the industry will never be forgotten. And finally, some more big roller coaster news. Parque Warner Madrid allegedly plans to construct a new large-scale roller coaster, at least according to the rumours. Several areas of construction have been seen at the park, including this photo of what looks to be a footer for the new ride. Though as per usual, the park has not confirmed anything of this and remains very quiet, so perhaps it's construction for something else. But hopefully it's a new coaster though, because the park are yet to build a new large-scale roller coaster since they opened to the public for the first time back in 2002. And there we go. That's it for this episode and the first Dispatch episode of 2022. We hope you have a fantastic new year and that 2022 brings you all of the theme park and roller coaster goodness you've been longing for, because I really hope that happens to me.